Hi guys, first I'll leave the written part on the screen in case you'd like to follow along. 1mm current yarn along with a 4mm hook and a 3mm hook. First, to make a ribbing, I'll chain 9. Then I'll skip the last stitch, work on the second, a single crochet. So I'll have 8 single crochet stitches. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn your work. Still skip the last stitch, work on the second, and work on the back like this. Repeat the process until our ribbing long enough to pull over our hip when we join the two ends of this ribbing together to make a waistband. This is the ribbing. When I fold in half, it will be 31 cm, which is this length is 62 cm, and I'll stop here because when I join this together, I can pull this through my hips. Now I'll join it. Now I'll make first row by using double crochet. First row of double crochet, start with chain 3. And then work double crochet. I will skip this one, this small one, here, here, and here. I'll skip it. At the end of the row, slip stitch to close it. After first row of double crochet, it will look like this. Now I'll make few rows of fans like this. First chain 3. This first chain 3 will act like one double crochet, and I'll work 2 more double crochet. 1, 2, then I chain 1 and work 3 more double crochet in the same stitch. So we have our first fan. For the second one, I'll skip 3 stitch. 1, 2, 3, and work on the fourth. First 3 double crochet. And then chain 1 and 3 more double crochet. Repeat that all around until we finish the row. At the end of the row, slip stitch, close it, and then slip stitch to the center of this, and repeat the process to make another row. I will mark 2 positions to increase 1 fan each row. And this is the first position I need to increase 1 fan. I just work 1 more fan next to the mark fan. And it will look like this. Work like normal for the other fan. I work in total 5 rows of fan, including this. This one is the first, this is the second, and I'll work 3 more after this one. Next row above the previous increase, I will work 1 fan here, which is 1, 2, 3 double crochet. From this one, I'll work 1 here and then 1 more here, separate by 3 double crochet each fan. So that means above the previous increase, we will have 3 fan. Now I will mark here the fan in between. After 5 rows, now I'll chain to hook 3 mm and work single crochet rows. The technique is just like I did with the ribbing. Chain 1 to start new row and work on the back. Single crochet. I also increase 1 stitches each mark position. Here I'll work 2 single crochet into 1 stitch at the mark position. 2 single crochet in the same. At the end of the single crochet row, slip stitch to close the row, then chain 1 and turn your work, and still skip the last stitch. Work single crochet on the back of second stitch. At the end of the row, we will chain 1 and turn our work again and repeat that until the short is long enough. Then we will make a ruffle. After 20 rows of single crochet, it will look like this. This is 20 rows of single crochet. It's about 15.5 centimeters, 6.2 inches. This is the end of the row. I'll slip stitch to this. This is where I increase stitches each row. So now I'll work like this. Slip stitch from here to there and then chain. I think I'll chain this long to connect these two together. Now slip stitch. Now I'll chain 10 and then I'll connect it to this. And now I'll crochet 2 legs. Start with this one first. For each leg I will make a ruffle. So the first row will be 2 double crochet into 1 stitch and chain 1 in between like this, chain 3 and then work 1 double crochet in the same stitch. For next stitch, work 1 double crochet and then chain 1 and work 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. Keep working like that all around this leg over here to this position again, and then we will close this row. At the end of the row, slip stitch to close it, and then slip stitch to the center of the pair of 2 double crochet, and then work new row the same as this row. Start with chain 3 and then work 1 more double crochet, and next work on this 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet. Repeat that all around. Once the shorts are finished, I'll thread a piece of yarn through the waistband to use as a drawstring and tie the shorts securely.